안녕하세요. So we are diving into NCT, and NCT U was not a fixed group, I found out. I just reacted to some different things, but now I think maybe this is a new group, NCT Wish, or I found a very recent video, very new one, so 1 month ago, and it has a lot of views, 11 million, I think. Try to look into that, see who they are and what kind of music this is. So we're starting.
Feels good. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Wait a moment. 흥얼거리는 멜로디 가벼워진 채 going down, going down. 맑게 부리는 불 저러다진 문 넘어 세상 날개를 펼쳐 더 높이 단 한 걸음에 담긴 your heart 네 어깨 위에서 보고 싶은 꿈 어디든 you give me fly. Let's fly. 하늘 넘어 fly up high.
It reminds me a lot of like more boy band thing. Don't think this will go. It goes well with the young people, but I mean for the big audience, it's very boy band. Reminds me of Astro a little bit. Means very good, and they are good dancer, and they look good as usual. Don't recognize anyone, so I think this is a whole new group. Younger.
Dreaming big, edge wish, 기다려왔어 또 show, we just getting started. 불어오는 바람을 타고 새 여러 색으로 반진 빛 전화와 내 목소리가 울려 퍼져 영원히. Yeah, 춤은 저 밤이 새도록 위다 song on repeat. 적은 있어 가까이 꽉진 두 손 함께 beat your heart.
I love the harmonies underneath. Very nice. Oh, it's all of them. Very nice there. Beautiful boys. But it's like they're just blends for now. So I have like no meanings about them. It's very difficult when they're all new. You don't see their charm before you see anything else. That came out wrong. They are very charming, but you understand what I mean. When you get to know them, it's a different vibe. So please recommend something else I could see from this, so I learn to know them better. It's not the coolest song, it's not the toughest song. I like it. I like most music, but a bit typical boy band for me. That is a bit negative, but I love them dancing. Very cool, very good dancers.
네 어깨 위에서 보고 싶은 꿈 어디든 you give me fly. Let's fly. 하늘 넘어 fly up high. 함께라면 그 중에서 let's fly. 이 너를 멈추지 않아. Sing the melody again now.
Ooh. I like the breaks. Yeah.
Sing for you. Give me some. All right, come on. 생각하는 대로 이루어지는 wish 늘 함께니까 언제라도 celebration. Yeah. Let's little songbird, little songbird, little songbird. Yeah, little songbird. Sing the melody again now.
Wow. Very good. No, cute. Yeah. Sorry. Must be a new group, I think. Please comment and thank you.